got that wrong, especially this area today.
A little disappointed, I guess. But I couldn't tell if it was black or white, to be honest, because of how dark it is, but yeah.
I think that it is kind of disappointing because we waited, what's been, since 5 o'clock,
Yeah.
and they didn't decide, so waiting a long time is kind of disappointing to see the black smoke.
Of course, we are expecting our cardinal from the Philippines, but sad to say that we haven't had new pope yet. But it's okay. Yeah.